Find China's suppliers. ECBB.com.
A minute. He's very handsome.
Yeah, I'm sure he is. You need to relax. Here, let me do it. Give it here. All right? Relax.
So we should probably get going now, right?
You're having a reaction or something. Your body's rejecting it. Okay, that is not good. That is not good. This is not supposed to be happening. I gotta get you to a hospital.
Take me anywhere and I'll tell Alice everything. Get away from me.
Bridget?
Not good. This is so not supposed to be happening.
Bridget, what's happening?
What is that shit anyway?
Bridget?
Okay. Okay.
Bridget?
Okay. All right. Come here. We're at the grandma's place.
Get out!
What?
I need to be alone.
She realized, of course, she'd have to come back to the clinic.
You realize, of course, that you're speaking in the third person. It's a little weird, and I'm aware of no such thing.
What if I said I missed you?
His words were empty, just like his head.
Find China's suppliers. ECBB.com.